guys, and welcome back to another update. This is my 3.5 month look. It's about 2.5 weeks after my first maintenance session. I obviously hadn't washed my hair yet, and I'm thinking things still look pretty good after that maintenance. All my dreads are in their nice little bundles. At 4 months, I didn't take a lot of footage, so most of this is still images. I was busy adventuring. This is me up in Whistler, Canada, and going on road trips with my puppy dog and my boyfriend. Wearing a lot of half up looks, obviously. I had my hair professionally braided for a work thing, and I thought it looked really, really good. I really loved it. I won't tell you how many bobby pins are in this hairdo. I think I'm still finding them. At 5 months, I went back for my second maintenance with Layla. This is the day of that second maintenance. I washed my hair probably the week before this, but you can see all the loose hairs all over my head. Looks very, very messy, but overall the dreads themselves, they are slowly progressing and getting mature. I didn't see a ton of difference between month 3 and month 6. You'll see at the end here what I mean, but this is me in Layla's chair getting my maintenance done. It was a lot of fun. She even did this cute little updo by the end of it. I really, really loved it, so I took some pictures of that. Here I am at 6 months. I hadn't washed my hair for a little over 4 weeks in this footage, and I've honestly come to find out that I can go a really long time without washing my hair now. My hair does not produce a lot of oil, and it's not terribly dry either, although I live in a pretty dry climate. In this footage, I'm showing you the nature of all my locks from the side, the back, and the top, and I think they're looking pretty good. They're starting to look mature and form into those solid matted locks like we all love. I've noticed that my dreads are substantially larger, and using a regular sized hair tie is not possible anymore. I can use it, but I can't wrap the hair tie around my hair more than once. It's kind of nice when I just want to pull my hair out of the way, but it's not something that will hold my hair all day. The only thing I wish was different is the top. I wish the dreads on the top of my head were longer. I'm starting to see the hope, and I can wear my hair out without a hair tie right now, but I just wish they were longer. I show in this footage how a few of them barely touch the top of my ear, and I just wish the top was longer. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with everything. For those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, my ends are what they call wispy ends. I plan on blunting my ends eventually, but I want to wait until they're a bit longer. For now, the ends give the illusion that my locks are longer, and I really, really like that. I like the outside footage because you can really see the color and texture of my hair. You can see how it looks from afar and the length of it overall, including the bits that are pulled up on the top. Overall, I'm just really still loving my hair. It's super low maintenance, low fuss basically, and yeah, I'm still very, very happy in my decision. please comment down below. I'd love to know more about how your locks are progressing. I've really enjoyed interacting with you guys down in the comments and hearing your stories. And don't forget to subscribe.